Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started the Telegram as well as the Facebook group. Both the two links I kept in the description box of this video, so the interested candidates may join in this group guys. And in this video we are going to see the assistant professor as well as a guest faculty recruitment notification from the two different colleges. Out of that one is a government college and second one is a private college. And here eligibility is the post graduation, UGC NET and the PhD is not required. Let us see the details regarding these notifications. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator for the electronic science as well as the paper 1. So here the complete course for the UGC NET electronic science as well as the paper 1 MCQ series is going to start. That means electronic science already started and the MCQ series is going to start. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, here may check down that it is the Office of Principal, Government and Government Junior College, Koraput. So here this notification dated on 8th Feb 2021. So walk-in interview for guest faculties. A walk-in interview will be held in the college on Thursday 25th Feb 2021 at morning 11 o'clock for the selection of guest faculties for computer science 3 vacancies, botany 2 vacancies, chemistry 2 vacancies and mathematics 2 vacancies for the academic session 2020-21 up to July 2021. And applicants must have at least a 55% of marks in the bachelor in the concerned subject in the post graduation with a second class in the bachelor degree. So the interested candidates are required to attend the interview with all original certificates, biodata and a set of photocopies of certificates from HSC onward. Okay. So it is the detail regarding this government college guys, and it is the official website of this college that you may check down here. The contact number as well as the mail ID is also there, and if you want to get the more information, so it is Odisha, and here the complete address is there including the phone numbers and the mail IDs, and the official website is also given here. So the interested candidates may look into this website guys, and it is the advertisement regarding the vacancies. Coming to the next one is, so it is Ma Bala Sundari College of Education, Jafarpur, Ambala, invites applications for the post of assistant professor in pedagogy subjects like mathematics, physical science, social science, biological science, Hindi, English, Sanskrit, Punjabi, computer science, health and physical education, fine arts, performing arts, music, dance, drama, and the qualification for pedagogy subjects 55% in the post graduation and 55% in the MEd. And the other qualifications and pay scale are as per the NCTE Kurukshetra. So also required librarian and clerk. So apply within 21 days and send a copy of application to Dean Kurukshetra University. Here the contact number is also given 9896337167. Okay, and the mail ID is also provided here. So if you are having any queries regarding this advertisement, you may contact this number, or else you may send your query to this provided mail ID. Okay. So these are the details regarding the assistant professor as well as the guest faculty recruitment from the government college as well as this college guys. Okay. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be And why? Because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not.